middle of nowhere. I'm the guy that lives in the middle of nowhere. And today is how to change out your fucking rear tail lights for your old Grand Prix. Pretty sure everybody knows about it because we all get the same shit. This shit always goes away, but you need that black stuff where it connects to, and water gets right in this crap. So that's crap. The easiest thing. It's so simple to do. So you see, there's 3 bolts on this and 3 plugs. It's just literally a matter of. Here, I'll even show you. All right, so it's a matter of undoing. So you have this here. That's where your cable goes. It's done. You technically don't have to undo the bottom. You really just only have to undo the top. So I'll leave that hooked up. Because this is the one you gotta remember which one is which. You undo this cable, sorry, bolt, nut, whatever you want to call it. And then you flip it down. You got 2. We're heading out to the town today, getting to pay some bills. So simple to do. And you don't ever have to use any tools. So there you go. And you just literally, see how it just holds itself in? Slide out the bottom. So with these here, you just press down, twist it 90 degrees. Ew. That's the reverse light. Your drive light. It's being a pain in the ass. We'll turn that past that light. That one's good. Have an issue. And that one's good. That bolt's good. That's it. Look at the rocks that are down in there. Shit. That's from me doing stupid shit that I shouldn't be doing. Because we live in the middle of nowhere and there's a lot of rocks here. Okay, so done. Lock it in place. And this does only go one way. You just lock it in place. That's it. And then reassembly. Just you put it in like that. And then reverse sever. Do these bolts first, because the other one requires it. And I'll tell you now, don't go to vibrating on this. 97. In Calgary, there's a pick and pull. That's where we get some of our parts. Any new parts I buy from Rock Auto. But that's for my old cars. And there we go. There's a piece that holds for that. And there we go. That is your tip for today. That is how to change out your rear tail light on the 97 to 2003 Grand Prix. I actually turned off the pod. Yeah, and that's so simple. Now I have something more to shoot. I have the other one because I did that last year. It's a fan I pulled off an old Mustang. Just because I don't want actual regular fan on. Sorry, a belt driven fan. I'd rather electric, so that way it stops you from robbing horsepower. Still waiting for other parts to come in, mainly just my keys, but I am the guy from the middle of nowhere. Like, subscribe, comment if you like to see any of this kind of stuff. Might do just like a tear down and destruction of this thing. Just fuck it up real bad. I've got to get that shifter done. I'll do a video on that. And that's the way there and that. I'm the guy from the middle of nowhere. Like always, have a good one.